About to head to the muffler shop. Gonna get these headers and everything connected. Yeah, we back clean now. Them ain't the wheel, but they for sale. But yeah, we done got touched up. Finna get these pipes connected on. So we ride now. Pull y'all back on when we at the shop.
Pandemic.
We in there now. Go to the main. Yeah, we in there now, in the cuz. By time.
Almost straight. In the muffler shop. That's all they got.
Yep.
I've been living in my own world. They know me here. Walking around with my shirt off saying, fuck it, I don't care. You niggas not invited, and hoes can't spend the night. It's money over everything, get it? Aight. I've been living in my own world. They know me here. Walking around with my shirt off saying, fuck it, I don't care. You niggas not invited, and hoes can't spend the night. It's money over everything, get it? Aight. Niggas act like bitches, and bitches try to charm me, but I be at a 10 hut like the army. That weak shit don't disarm me. My money is alarming. The first thing on my mind when I wake up in the morning, I'm in my own world, I'm in my own lane. Karma is a bitch, but she ain't got shit on Mary Jane. Put in work for the change, but $1 on your brain. Cancel all that fame, then explode with all you gain. Man, you niggas ain't got shit out here stunning around this bitch. I've been doing this shit for 11 years, so it's obvious I ain't gon' quit. Life on the line, I risk. Y'all in court, slap on wrist. I want that car, call that bitch. She said, babe, just bring that dick. So I first class that to her. Bitch, this my world, run through her. Let her soul in, get poor. Head get wings like Red Bull. M.O.E. take that to her. Ain't no shopping where I'm at. Name tatted on her back, she know exactly where I'm at. Cause I've been living in my own world. They know me here. Walking around with my shirt off saying, fuck it, I don't care. You niggas not invited, nope. And hoes can't spend the night. It's money over everything, get it? Aight. Okay. I've been living in my own world. They know me here. Walking around with my shirt off saying, fuck it, I don't care. You niggas not invited, nope. And hoes can't spend the night. It's money over everything, get it? Aight. Okay. It's been close to 15 years since I last spoke to my dad. Damn. And I ain't never asked for shit, hell I went out and got it. And since he heard I had my own, hell don't ask about it. Cause if he ever needed that, he bet the bank I got it. I took a couple years off, nipping the booth. But the whole time this shit ain't never been good. Trying to run the game, I don't feel good. I want that no nights I cried, nobody gave a big time. Now that pussy wide open since I came. They see I came up out that shit. Now everybody is nobody, y'all just playing. Can't tell me shit, I play like that.
Let this chain off this dog. Let this chain off this dog. Let the chain off this dog.
Money over everything, get everything.
Let the
Like
chain
I've been
off this
living in
dog.
my own world. They know me here. Walking around with my shirt off saying, fuck it, I don't care. Not invited, nope. Spend the night, money over everything, get it? Aight. I've been living in my own world. They know me here. Walking around with my shirt off saying, fuck it, I don't care.
Humming along. Ooh. Now we running. We're cranking and running. Wherever we want to go. Man, that wasn't good. That wasn't good at all.